In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add arrows in Notion. Adding arrows is a simple way to make your pages clearer and more visually organized. You can use them to show direction in a process, connect ideas, or just make your notes easier to scan. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic method using Notion's built-in emoji feature and give you a few tips on how to use arrows effectively in your workspace. First, open the Notion page where you want to add an arrow. This can be any page. A notes page, a to-do list, a project dashboard, or even a database entry. Just click into the page so that you can see the main content area and place your cursor where you want the arrow to appear. You can click inside an existing block of text or create a new empty line if you want the arrow to stand on its own. Next, start by typing a / followed by the word emoji. So you'll type mark emoji in the text area. In Notion, the / is a shortcut that opens the command menu. This menu lets you quickly insert different types of content, and one of those options is the emoji picker. As soon as you type emoji, you should see a small menu pop up offering you the emoji option. Now, select the emoji option from that menu. You can do this by clicking it with your mouse or by using the arrow keys on your keyboard and pressing enter. Once you select it, Notion will open an emoji picker window. This is where you can browse or search for the specific arrow you want to use. In the emoji picker, you'll see a variety of categories and symbols. To find arrows quickly, you can either scroll through the symbols section or use the search bar at the top. Try typing words like arrow, left, right, up, or down. This will filter the list to show only emojis that match your search, including different arrow styles such as simple arrows, curved arrows, and double arrows. Click on the arrow emoji you want, and it will be inserted directly into your page at the cursor position. From there, you can add text before or after it, copy and paste it to reuse the same arrow in other parts of your page, or combine multiple arrows to show more complex directions or flows. That's all you need to do to add arrows in Notion using the emoji command. With just a few keystrokes, you can make your notes, guides, or project plans much easier to follow.